आकाश, अबे आकाश क्या कर रहा है तू? तूने दिल चाहते हुए थप्पड़ खाया था साले आकाश, यहाँ भी खा ले।
Please don't worry so much. Enjoy this time.
भटूरे नहीं यार, भटूरे, छोले भटूरे।
Good morning.
Good morning, happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. Now this video is extra special because it's the most special day of the year. I mean for me at least, because it's my birthday. Now growing up, just like every other kid, I used to be crazy excited for my birthdays. Excited for what sort of birthday dress I'd wear, what kind of cake I would get, how my parents would decorate the entire house for my birthday party, and how I'd get treated like a super special princess by everyone the entire day. First meal of my birthday, Baba Ji ka prasad. So, we were actually planning to go and have some English breakfast, but then on our way, there was a change of plan. So we decided to have
छोले भटूरे
instead.
Yes, भटूरे because चंडीगढ़ की याद आ जाती है बड़े अच्छे
बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाए.
So हम खाएंगे भटूरे. भटूरे नहीं यार, भटूरे, छोले भटूरे.
Okay, let's do this. Now, I have to say that I have continued to celebrate my birthdays with as much vigor and zeal in my teenage 20s and even 30s. However, this year, things felt a little different to me. This year, I turned 34. I've recently seen that a lot of my friends and people that I know who are millennials have been feeling kind of low, and I've noticed like a sort of a shift in them wherein they're not as excited about their birthdays. Some of them feel that they're getting old, they haven't achieved enough. Some feel that they're not married and they're probably never going to find the love of their life or the correct partner. To be honest, even when I entered my 30s, I did not feel, oh, I'm getting old. Any such thought never crossed my mind, because usually that is the time when people feel most emotional and unhappy about the fact that they're entering 30s and now they won't be in their 20s anymore. I never felt any of that when I was entering my 30s. However, this time on my birthday, I felt that there was like this nagging feeling at the back of my head. Maybe it was the effect of all the buzz that is there on social media about how you start aging, etc. Once you're in your 30s, and how the lovely fun days of your life are like over, or the beginning of the end has started, basically. I think I'd read all of that a lot, or I'd heard all of that a lot lately. I just started questioning that, is it okay that I'm not sad or I'm not feeling bogged down by the fact that I'm probably going to start aging soon, even if like I cannot see the signs as of now, they will begin to appear someday or the other. Or, feeling sad about the fact that I haven't really been able to achieve all my goals, life goals as of now. I just started questioning if I was doing the right thing by not feeling sad or worried or bogged down by any of these things, and just enjoying my life. However, then I just realized that, deep down, I actually really do not care about any of this. I mean, I don't care about physical aging, at least not to the extent that I feel sad on my birthday or otherwise in life, and, I'm not able to enjoy the moment that I'm in. I just take care of the basics like exercising, hydrating, sleeping well, handling stress better, etc. And I think my body will do good as long as I'm taking care of all these things. Also, I know there are goals that I'm yet to take off my checklist, but then I genuinely feel that there's still enough time for me to achieve all of them. I think there's plenty of examples out there of people who have completely transformed their bodies, careers, and lives in their 30s, 40s, 50s, or even 60s. Nap after eating a huge plate of chole bhature. We're actually going for dinner now to this really cute restaurant where I've been wanting to go since a very long time. I don't think that we need to buy into the idea that we need to have achieved everything: the house, the career, the marriage, the children, the body, etc. by the time we hit our 30s. And in case we haven't, then maybe we failed, or that maybe it's too late to turn things around. I think we need to stop beating ourselves for not having achieved certain goals that are still there on our checklist, and instead shift our focus towards the things that we are proud of having achieved till now. And with that, fuel our confidence and keep marching towards our goals. We just need to understand that nothing is off schedule and that life is always coming together on its own. We just need to have faith and believe in ourselves and in life. Oh my god.
आकाश, अबे आकाश क्या कर रहा है तू? तूने दिल चाहते हुए भी थप्पड़ खाया था साले आकाश, यहाँ भी खा लेगा। रात को घर आया मुझे हुआ यार, कोकी का बर्थडे, ये जो 24th बर्थडे आना है उसका। ओह 24, वैसे एक्चुअली लगता तुम 24 ही रहे हो आज।
हाय हाय, दिल जीत लिया लड़के ने।
So when you're with a lady, you drink Bellini, which is champagne and wine.
Peach pulp.
And peach pulp as well. पापा विस्की वाले बंदे। क्या when you are with your लौंडे, तब है विस्की लो, भाई सोडा या पानी ले लो और चिप्स ले लो, उससे बेहतर कुछ है ही नहीं। 5 रुपए की मूंग दाल, ठीक है, कोई फांडू फुंडू नहीं, दाल ले ली, चखना ले लिया, सोडा पानी, बस दुनिया के किसी भी शहर में घुमा दो भाई, और एक गाड़ी और थोड़े से पेट्रोल के पैसे, बस बहुत है इतना अपने लौंडों के लिए।
I just want to say that if you're a millennial and you are either worried about aging or you feel that you haven't achieved enough in life, you may never be able to get the love of your life, your age to have babies is slipping out of your hands, please don't worry so much. Just live your life. Just enjoy this time, because there are people who have kids even in their late 30s or even in their early 40s. People who find love in their life even in their 40s, late 30s, 50s, 60s even. There are people whose biggest achievements are not in their 30s but rather 40s, 50s or 60s. The more you worry and stress, the faster you'll age. So just stop worrying. Trust me, there will be one day when you'll miss looking like your 30s or mid 30s or late 30s or early 40s self. So just enjoy what you have right now.
Cheers, my baby.
life has different seasons for a reason, you see. And in order to live a fulfilled life, it is important that we understand that each season can be and must be enjoyed equally. Happy birthday to me!